Hey, are you working in construction site? You need to be inducted first. What you know? What do you know? Or what you going to know? Okay. First, your competencies and qualification of inductees. Second, procedure for reporting incidents, injuries, and hazard. Third, work safety rules. Fourth, induction using safe work method statement. Fifth, training on use specialized equipment. Sixth, the right PPA or the right personal protective equipment for their jobs. Seven, emergency procedure. Eight, location and use firefighting equipment. Ninth, location of first aid and facilities and who the first aider are. 10th, workplace safe security procedures. And 11, introducing the health and safety representatives. Those are the necessary or important needed that you know when entering constructions.